Now you will see 7 YouTube channel ideas without showing your face. There are channels in all of these topics that are making more than $700 a day. But before I reveal these channel ideas for you, I want to give you 3 simple tips. First, choose a topic that people are spending money on. That will increase your income. Second, choose a topic that you personally enjoy working on for months and perhaps even years to come. And third, make sure to pick a topic that you genuinely think makes the world a better place. And we start immediately with the first channel idea, and that is Bitcoin or crypto YouTube channel. First of all, this topic gives you a really high income because there is every day hundreds of billions of dollars exchanging in Bitcoin and crypto industry. Every single year, trillions of dollars are being exchanged. Just to give you an idea on some of the biggest crypto exchanges in the world, on Binance since the last 24 hours, more than $21 billion were exchanged in just one exchange. And in 2021, in just one exchange, in Binance alone, more than $34 trillion were exchanged. So this industry is absolutely massive and it's skyrocketing. Let me just give you some numbers. Here you can see the number of crypto owners. Back in the beginning of 2021, there were around 100 million. In the end of 2022, already around 300 million. And now when you are watching this, there may be already 500 million or billion. Eventually there will be 8 billion people on our planet who will be using Bitcoin. And of course the Bitcoin price rise drives this growth. First it went from $0.1 to $1, $10, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Now when you are watching, it's probably already more than 10,000, going towards 100,000, 1 million, 10 million, so on and so forth. Not investment advice, simply an observation of the numbers that you can also verify yourself. And on this topic, of course, you don't need to show your face. You can just record your screen and show whatever you want to show. For example, that Bitcoin is always number one. Bitcoin is the strongest one. It's going higher and higher and higher consistently. And you can compare, for example, Bitcoin to other ones, show the biggest exchanges or whatever you want. And most of the viewers are men. So of course, if you are an attractive woman, you will get a crazy amount of views by showing yourself. But if you are a man like myself, you don't need to show your face. People in this industry are more interested in the numbers than seeing yourself, right? If you want to learn more about Bitcoin and crypto industry, go to check out my main channel, Learn to Make Honest Money Online, where we talk about this daily. The second idea is affiliate marketing. And if you don't know what affiliate marketing means, it simply means that you make money copy pasting links online. And this is a big industry and also growing. Not as huge as crypto or Bitcoin industry, but still growing fast. Here is, for example, total affiliate marketing spent in millions. You can see it's billions and billions of dollars nowadays already. And as you can see, it's year by year growing higher and higher and higher. Another benefit of affiliate marketing is that it can also provide you high income, because people in this industry and the audience, they are willing to spend money, and that means your income will grow higher and higher and higher. And the audience is quite similar as in Bitcoin and crypto industry, mostly men, so you definitely don't need to show your face. You can just make money, talk about affiliate marketing, and have a great life. The next one is fitness and health industry. And this is wonderful because every single human being needs fitness. Everybody needs health, and that's why it will always stay relevant. It will always stay trendy, because if you don't have your health, you die. And the same with your audience. If they lose their health, they can die, and then everything ends. So it's an extremely important topic, and people of course are willing to spend money on it, because if they're about to lose their health or their fitness, they can spend money to get it back. And that's why it can give you a high income as well when you help people to get in shape. And now you might be asking, but hey, do I need to show my body if I do the fitness channel? And of course not. You can, for example, review products on the internet, recording your screen. Let me just give you an example. I have an entire video on my YouTube channel, Tube Journey to Freedom, where I walk you through this process, but here is just a quick idea. So you can type on Google fitness affiliate programs, you can click any of these, then you can choose any of these programs. Here it shows, you can see 29 best fitness affiliate programs. Let's take, for example, this ACE Fitness. You can click this one, and when you copy paste link from this website, ACE website, they will pay you money when people click it and take action. So you would click here to join this, and then you will start making money when people buy through your link. And also here is another one, Titan Fitness. They also pay money copy pasting links. In fact, all of these 29 programs pay you money for copy pasting links. So what you would do, you click here apply now, then you get accepted, you get your link, and then in your videos you can, for example saw on the screen, this website, you can review these products, take a look. Okay, this looks a little bit overpriced. Maybe I would choose a different product. Then you scroll down here and then you can explain that this leg extension machine is good for this and that reason. Functional trainer is perfect because you can do many exercises in that one. You can give a little bit of ideas. For example, here you can show the photos. You can exercise your triceps. You can even do chin-ups and pull-ups here on the rack, and you can explain all of these things. Then you show people, click here to buy it and click here to check out. You show the whole process, and then when people do that, you will earn money. And of course, this is just one of many examples how you can make money in the fitness industry. But let's move to the YouTube channel idea number 4. And if you are enjoying this video so far, remember to smash up the like button and share this video with your friends who also like to make money on YouTube, so then you can make money together. Fourth channel idea are easy money apps and easy money websites. So mobile applications that give money easily, internet websites that give money easily. You know that I run this channel Learn to Make Honest Money Online, and I noticed that a lot of people love to use easy money apps, and that's why if you create a channel around easy money apps, so easy money websites, you can of course get a lot of people to join them because so many people love them, and it's also easy to get people to join those websites because they simply give money easily. Let me just give you an example. I have collected this easy money apps guide. I give this for you as a free gift. Of course, you don't need to pay me anything. Here are 15 easy money apps to start making money online. So I share this on my YouTube channel. People get easy money apps and they can start getting money. With easy money apps, you of course don't need to show your face because as I've noticed on my YouTube channel, people don't care to see my face. They want to see the apps. They want to see the steps. They want to see when I use some app on my mobile phone or easy money website. And that's what you can also show. So you don't even need to show your face in any of your videos. The fifth channel idea is chess or any other game that you like. I mentioned chess because that's the game where I'm the chess master, and if I would create the YouTube channel around some game, I would make it around chess, but for you it may be completely different game. For example, some video game or another board game that you like to play. And the benefit of this type of channel is of course that it's easy to create it, you know. For me, it would be easy to play for hours and hours of chess because it's something that I'm great at and I enjoy doing it, but nowadays I personally try to avoid it because I built my business. But of course, if I would build my YouTube channel around chess, then I would be playing game and building a business at the same time. So it's kind of fun to do in that sense. And of course, you don't need to show your face because if I would create a chess channel, people want to see chess. They want to see the tactics. They want to see the strategies and the tricks. So I can show those things instead of showing myself. And you can do the same. Whatever game you want to show, people and your audience, they want to see when you are playing. They want to see how you played and all these things. So you definitely don't need to show your face in that needs either. Sixth channel idea are luxury items. And that is perfect because people spend a lot of money on luxury items. Whether it's cars, or luxury watches like Rolex or yachts or any other luxury item. When you start studying that needs, you notice that people spend money on all kinds of crazy things, and some millionaires and billionaires are spending crazy amounts of money that the average person doesn't really understand. And of course, if you create this type of channel, it can be great for you because you can earn a lot of money. Of course, normal people can watch luxury channels as well, but on average, of course, if you create a luxury channel, you will get wealthier people than if you create a channel where you talk about cheap products, right? People who are looking for cheap products, generally they don't want to spend so much money. People who are looking for luxury channels, generally they have money and they are willing to spend more money, right? So the audience is perfect if you want to make money when you talk about luxury items. And of course, there you can also direct the channel based on your own interests. If you love, for example, watches, you can talk a lot about them. Personally, I'm not so interested in watches, so perhaps I would talk about another luxury item, let's say luxury chessboards, for example. So you can completely decide that yourself. And the seventh one is travel. And whenever you travel, you don't need to show your face. And you don't even need to travel yourself if you don't want. You can show different clips from the internet for 100% free using the free tools available on the internet. But of course, once your channel starts making money for you automatically, you can start traveling all around the world like I have done. I've been in Asia, Europe, America, all around the world. And also you have a freedom to travel wherever you want once your YouTube channels makes for you money automatically 24/7. And in your travel channel you will get to see beautiful places, you can show beautiful places for your audience, and of course you know the travel industry is growing year by year. Now if you want to learn to build your YouTube channel from zero to making a life-changing income online, I have created for you a step-by-step program called Tube Journey to Freedom, where I help you to make a life-changing income online and achieve the ultimate freedom. With ultimate freedom, I mean financial freedom, time freedom, and location freedom, meaning that you have enough money that you never need to worry about working in a 9-to-5 job. You can make money like this whenever you want. Time freedom, you can spend your time in any time you want. You can go to sleep whenever you want. You can wake up whenever you want. You can spend time with your family and your loved ones, with your friends, whenever you want. Location freedom, you can travel around. You can live anywhere you want. You can do the things that you love with whole of your time. That is my goal for you when you join my program, Tube Journey to Freedom. Just to give you a quick idea, here I show you step by step how to build your successful YouTube channel, how to create successful videos, how to optimize everything and monetize your YouTube channel. You will also learn a #1 rule for making money on YouTube, one-click strategy to earn money on YouTube, and one method how you can get paid even before creating your videos. And we talk about the best way to make over $100,000 a year on YouTube. So if you want to learn all of that, you and me, my friend, we are going to see inside my program immediately.